Pandemic continues, local nonprofits facing some staffing challenges. This as national organizations are declaring a state of emergency in children's mental health. Carmela Boykin spoke with some local organizations about the impact of these shortages, and she is live this morning with more. Carmela, good morning.
Good morning, Mark. While the demand for children's mental health services remain incredibly high, local organizations are struggling to meet the needs of the community. CEO of the Villa of Hope, Christina Gullo, says filling the gaps has been a challenge.
Kids and families that need these services, and if you don't have the staff, you can't provide the services.
Gullo says the largest area of need is,
unfortunately, our adolescents. We have the highest rates of mental health and suicide rates that we've seen. And so it becomes really life-threatening, and in a lot of cases, to not have access to those services when people need them.
She says in Rochester, there's a massive life expectancy difference based on where individuals live.
Where somebody has access to care, where they are educated, the violence that happens to be in their neighborhood.
The shortage of workers doesn't allow the situation to improve.
People are seeking services and they're getting a waiting list. And that is creating more anxiety and exacerbating symptoms in kids.
These shortages are seen in other areas as well, like Ibero's residential program for developmentally disabled individuals.
A lot of the people that work at Ibero are so passionate about the work that they do in the mission, but it has definitely created a lot of stressors for our organization to be operating a half of its workforce in these programs.
Smith says, as the American Academy of Pediatrics and the Children's Hospital Association have stated,
there is a state of emergency in children's mental health, and we're urging all policymakers to help us overcome it.
And Gullo says for individuals who have been put on the wait list to call the Villa of Hope, and they will help direct individuals to areas of service to receive help. In Rochester, Carmela Boykin, News 8. Mark.
Carmela, thank you. A reminder, if you are in crisis, call 211 for confidential crisis management and referrals for health and human services.